Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Voyage Aeronautics drone. First, ensure your drone's battery is fully charged for optimal performance. Next, attach the propeller guards to protect against accidental bumps. Download the Voyage Aeronautics application to your smartphone or tablet. Finally, place the drone on a flat, level surface and calibrate its gyroscope before your initial flight. This setup ensures a smooth and safe first experience. Once connected, you're ready for basic flight. The left joystick on your controller or app screen controls the drone's altitude and its rotation. The right joystick is for moving the drone forward, backward, and side to side. Begin by practicing gentle takeoffs and landings. Focus on maintaining a stable hover in an open, unobstructed space to get comfortable with the controls. Your drone offers several advanced features to enhance your flying. Experiment with the one-touch takeoff and landing buttons for effortless launches and recoveries. Headless mode simplifies control by ignoring the drone's front orientation. Remember, safety is paramount. Always keep your drone within your visual line of sight and fly in spacious, clear environments, far from crowds or structures. Proper care ensures your drone lasts for many flights. After each use, carefully inspect the propellers for any signs of damage or wear. Keep the drone's body clean by wiping it gently with a soft, dry cloth. When not in use, store your drone and its batteries in a cool, dry location. For any specific issues, always refer to your Voyage Aeronautics user manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.